It is a historic moment here on Barfly because we are doing a cocktail from a bartender we have not done before. It is called the King's Breakfast. It was created by Steve the Bartender and a Steve the Bartender original. And I don't have a creation year, although I'm sure he will be in the comments telling you guys when he created it. And because we are doing a Steve the Bartender cocktail, we are going to be using a Steve the Bartender gin to make it. I think that I read that he uses a more savory gin. I want to go with this citrusy gin because I just want to do that. Okay. 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice, 3/4 of an ounce of Italicus, 3/4 of an ounce of the threefold gin. We're using the citrus one. It's not going to be a chilled glass, guys, but when you do cocktails that are served up, always chill your glass ahead of time. Anyway, and then we're going to do a big heaping bar spoon of strawberry preserves here. This is 100% a variation on the Sasha Petrosky cocktail, the Cosmonaut, and I think it's gonna be really good. That was really heaping, by the way. We're gonna add our ice to our tin. Give it a nice shake. Strain it into our should-be chilled glass. Technically, this should be garnished with a strawberry, like a strawberry slice. But I forgot to ask Marius to get it at the store when he got the lemons because we're very professional here on the Educated Barfly, so garnishless it is. And there it is, the King's Breakfast. I mean, you guys know that that works. Lemon juice, Italicus, gin, and getting the botanicals from the gin, you're getting some botanicals and those floral notes from the Italicus. You're also getting sugar. We balance that sugar out with the strawberry jam, which is really nicely balancing that lemon juice. You don't not need any simple syrup in this at all. It is good. You got enough sugar. It's all very nicely balanced. It's a little bit tart. Obviously, you're tasting the lemon juice as well. There it is, the King's Breakfast.